Welcome to my channel, guys. Today I'll show you how to insert SIM card. Okay, SIM card to Redmi Note 7 mobile phone. Okay, to do that you must have this kind of pin and insert it to the hole and press. There is it, guys. This is the SIM card tray. Okay, SIM card here, and as you notice, guys, there is a SIM card slot here. So this is the upper and this is the lower part. So just put it there. Okay, upper part. And if you want to use two SIM cards, just lay it here for the second one and insert it, guys, and you're done. Okay, this is the top of your mobile, like this, not like that. Okay, so your camera is facing to you and insert it here to the slot. Okay, insert, and there is it. Okay, SIM card, and look at that. Here is it, 1 and 2. The other one, access name, it's a B mobile, PC, SB, and your board 4G. Okay, that's all, and have a nice day.